ਹੈਲੋ ਫਰੈਂਡ, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਸਲਾਮ। ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਆ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ? ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਬੜਾ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਹੈਗਾ ਬਜਟ, ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਐਂਡ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲਸ। you know, public administration is very important social science. The financial administration is very important part of public administration. Financial administration is that part of public administration which is responsible for the financial activities of the government. It is related to the income and expenditure of the government. It is related to revenue generation. It is related to allocating money to the different departments. So financial administration is that part of the government which deals with the financial activities of the government. As you know from the word financial means related to money. Administration means to look after, to care for or management of affairs. So financial administration is that part of the government which is responsible for financial activities of the government. And budget is a very important activity of financial administration in India. The executive branch of government is responsible for preparation and enactment of budget. Budget means the estimation of income and expenditure for a year. Finance is a fuel of administration. As car cannot run without petrol, governance, administration cannot run without finance. So finance is a blood of administration. There cannot be any administration governance without finance. So financial administration is very important part of public administration, and in a financial administration the main focus is budget. Budget wordly means leather bag. In France, the exchequer of finance come with a leather bag with some schemes for the public. So budget means a leather bag, a pouch or a wallet. So from term budget it became budget in English. So budget is a estimation of income and expenditure of government. The executive is responsible for the preparation of budget and enactment of budget. The finance ministry is responsible. So budget is a very important part of financial administration, and financial administration is very important part of public administration. So budget means the estimation of income and expenditure. So friends, there are some principles of budgeting. These principles are very important. Number 1, single budget. The first and the important principle of budgeting is that there must be a single budget for the country. A single budget is very important. But in India, in 1921, Ackworth Committee recommended the separation of railway budget from general budget. So from 1924, on the recommendation of Ackworth Committee in 1921, the railway budget was separated in India from the general budget. But it is a principle of budgeting that there must be a single budget for the whole country. So it is a very important principle of budgeting. Second, annual. The budget must be annual, yearly. The financial year in India starts from 1st April to 31st March. So it is a very important principle of budgeting that the budget must be annual. It must be made for 1 year, from 1st April to 31st March. This is the financial year in India. So annuality or yearly is a very important principle of budgeting. Third is rule of lapse. Rule of lapse is very important principle of budgeting. Suppose the money is allocated to some ministry or department. That department has not done the expenditure. Then the left out money allocated to the ministry or the department lapse to the next budget. This is called rule of lapse. There is a problem with rule of lapse because 31st March, end of financial year in India. So the ministries, departments, the money which is left, they do the expenditure in a hurry. That is called March rush. So, but rule of lapse is a very important principle of budgeting. The money left which was allocated in the last budget, it lapsed to the next budget. It is a very important principle of budgeting. Accuracy. It is a principle of budgeting that there must be accuracy in income and expenditure. The income and expenditure should be equal. If the income is more, the budget is surplus. If the income is less, the budget is deficit. So there must not be big difference between income and expenditure. It is a principle, very important principle of budgeting. Based on real income. The budget must be based on real income. The income which was estimated, well, the government or the finance ministry must have the income approximately to that level. So the budget must be based on real income is a very important principle of budgeting. Transparency and accountability. The budget must be transparent. When it is introduced in the Lok Sabha, everybody must understand. It must be clear. Accountability means the ministries and departments have been allocated money for their plans, projects, schemes. These ministries must be accountable for the expenditure of these monies. So it is a very important principle of budgeting that the budget must be transparent and there must be accountability. Next is sound accounting system. It is a principle of budgeting that there must be a sound accounting system. The money allocated must be recorded and the expenditure done also must be recorded in a details. So it is a very important principle of budgeting that there must be a sound accounting system. Next is sound auditing system. The money is allocated to the ministries and departments. The departments have done the expenditure and accounts have been prepared, and there must be a auditing system, sound auditing system. In India, we have a Comptroller and Auditor General of India. He is appointed under Article 148 of Indian Constitution. He is responsible for the auditing of the Government of India. The expenditure done by the Government of India, by ministries, by departments. The auditing is done by the CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. There is also a PAC, Public Account Committee. The members of the Public Account Committee are appointed from Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, 15 from Lok Sabha and 7 from Rajya Sabha. This committee is a high-powered committee to audit the expenditure done by the departments, ministries and Government of India. Some critics criticize that auditing is a post-mortem of the damage done. Already the money has been, the expenditure has been done. So it is a post-mortem of the damage done. But no, at least the sound auditing system shows that there is a accountability of the ministries and departments. So they are accountable due to this auditing, sound auditing system. Budgets are of three types: surplus, deficit, balanced. Surplus means when the income is more and expenditure is less. Deficit means when the income is less and expenditure is more. Balanced means the income and expenditures are near. There is no big difference between income and expenditure. If you see in developing nations, the budget is always deficit because of so many reasons: the growth in population, inflation. So it is very important that the budget must be balanced. A balanced budget is good for the country and citizens of the country. Next principle is executive responsibility. The preparation and enactment of budget is the responsibility of the executive. You know, there are three organs of the government: legislature, executive, and judiciary. The executive branch of the government is responsible for the preparation and enactment of the budget. So friends, this is budget. Budget is so important that there cannot be any governance, there cannot be any administration without budget. All our plans, policies, schemes will be successful if we will have a sound budget. In other words, if we have money. Finance is a fuel of administration or governance. No governance or administration can run without finance. Finance is so important. As food is important for the citizens, human beings, finance is important for the governance or administration. Finance is the fuel of administration. Finance runs the administration. So, to have a good, balanced, sound budget is very important for all the countries. So friends, this was a short video on budget and principles of budgeting. अगर वीडियो चंगा लगे तो लाइक करियो, मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल प्रोफैसर कोमल सिंह नूं सबसक्राइब करो तो मैनू इंस्टाग्राम ते professor_कोमल सिंह फॉलो करो। मिलांगे फ्रेंड्स अगले वीडियो ते। सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम।